Here are the reasons why we put the Lionli PCO11DX on our top list. Let's take a look at what people saying about it. Andrew Shin says, "Was looking for something a little different than the norm, and the PCO11 Dynamic hit that spot. It seems to be designed specifically for water cooling setups, and the side-mounted radiator makes the whole thing look really sleek and tidy." Garrett Satz, "Well, this is my third build, and the case I just came from was the Fractal Design Define R5. It was an okay case, it had quite limited airflow, and was compared to the O11 Dynamic, hard to build in. The Lionli O11 Dynamic is a dream to build it. Lots of space, a low-slung MOBO mount that allows for ample room for water cooling and fitting components into the case. The two-chamber design is the best I have used and seen, tons of space for the PSU, cables and accessories like the Hue Plus from NZXT, as well as internal USB expansion hubs and Corsair Link features.